Okay. This time, we are going to simplify the following radical and exponential expressions. Okay? So, umpisa na natin. So, we have number 1. Okay? 216 a raised to 3 b. Okay? The whole expression is raised by 2/3. Okay? So, ang kailangan lang natin gawin dito, we are going to transform this whole expression into a radical form. Okay? So, transform lang natin. Okay? So, this 216 here, ito ang base expression or yung base number. Okay? Expression kasi we have a polynomial. Okay? So, we have 216. Copy lang natin. 216 a raised to 3 b. Okay. And then, we have the cube root. Okay, ibig sabihin, this whole expression here, naka-raise siya ng, naka-raise siya ng 2/3. Okay. So, we have 3 here na denominator. So, ibig sabihin, cube root yung ating root. Okay, cube root. Lagyan nyo ng 3 yung radical sign natin. How about the 2? Okay, o gawa ka ng parenthesis. I-parenthesis mo yung buo and then raise to 2. Okay? So, bakit ko siya ginagawa? Nilalabas ko yung exponent na to. Mas madali siyang i-simplify kapag ganyan. Okay? Ang tirada ng ating solution. Okay? So, kaysa dun sa loob siya, mas mahirap yun gawin. Kaya nilalabas ko muna. Okay? So, the last operation we are going to use is the exponent 2. So, ang gagawin mo lang, simplify natin yung nandito sa loob. Okay? So, equals, okay? And if you use your calculator, cube root of 216, okay? So, cube root of 216, that is 6. Okay? Ayun, this is your calculator, 216. Ang cube root ng 216 ay 6. Okay? So, cube root of 216. So, copy muna natin yung parenthesis. Raised to 2. Okay? 216, the cube root of 216, that is 6. Okay? And then, the cube root of a raised to 3, okay, ay a na lang. Kasi 3 divided by the index number, the exponent 3 divided by the index number, that is 1. So, a raised to 1 yan. Okay? So, next, how about b? Okay? So, si b, ang matitira doon sa loob. Okay? Cube root of b. Okay? Ayan. Next. Okay? So, in here, we are going to apply the rule of power of a power rule. Okay? Kung saan, yung 2, i-distribute natin dito sa 6 and a, tsaka yung cube root of b. Okay? Madali lang yan. Okay, distribute natin. 2, the exponent 2 multiplied to the exponent of 6, that is 6 raised to 2. And then yung 2, i-multiply mo doon sa exponent ng a, that is a raised to 2. And then the cube root of b, okay, since naka-exponent yan, so ganito mo lang siya. Cube root of square root of, cube root of b squared. Ganyan na lang. Mas madali. Okay? Next. So we have 6 squared, that is 36. And then a squared, that is a squared. Okay? And then cube root of b raised to 2, o yung 2, ipasok mo lang dun sa b. Okay, so that is cube root of b squared. So, this is our final answer. Okay? Next, we have fifth root of 243 x raised to 7 y raised to 18. Now, ito ay naka-radical expression na. So, okay, no need to transform it into exponential. Ang gagawin lang natin, we are going to simplify this expression. Okay? So, this is how we simplify this expression. Okay? Tandaan, kunin mo lang yung fifth root. Tandaan ha, 243. Okay. Ang fifth root ng 243 or 243 ay equivalent kay 3 raised to 5. Okay? Ayun. Ang 243 ay equivalent kay 3 raised to 5. So, yung 243, okay, papalitan natin ng 3 raised to 5. Okay? Copy natin yung radical sign na or the root, the fifth root. Okay? And then yung 243, palitan natin ng 3 raised to 5. 3 raised to 5. Okay? Next, an x raised to 7. Okay? We factor natin x raised to 7 using the product rule of exponents. Okay? Tandaan lang to ha. X, okay, raised to 7 is equivalent kay x raised to 5 times x raised to 2. Okay? Kung saan, bakit ko pinaghiwalay? Kasi, using the product rule, okay, x raised to 5 times x raised to 2 ay equivalent kay x raised to 7. Wherein, yung 5 and 2, pag-a-add lang natin yung exponent with the same base. So, ganito lang yan. X raised to 5 plus 2. Okay? So, yung x raised to 7, papalitan natin ng x raised to 5 times x raised to 2. So, x raised to 5 times x raised to 2. Next, how about y raised to 18? Yung y raised to 18, okay? Tandaan nyo, ang y raised to 18 ay equivalent kay y raised to 15 times y raised to 3. Okay? Tandaan that yung isang exponent dapat divisible dun sa divisible, okay, sa index number. Closely. Okay? Bas close. Very close. Okay? Dapat very close siya. And bakit 15 and 3? Okay? Pwede namang ibang number. Pwede namang 6 and pwede namang 9 and 9. Okay? Tandaan, yung 9 and 9 is not divisible by 5. Okay? Yung 15 and 3, divisible by. Yung 15, divisible by 5. So, palitan natin. Okay? So, that is y raised to 15 and times y raised to 3. Sorry ha, magkadidikit. Okay. Next, equals. Ito. Tandaan na, 3 raised to 5 or the fifth root. Dito muna tayo. The fifth root of 3 raised to 5, okay, is 3. Okay. Bakit? Kasi yung exponent na 5, divide mo doon sa index, that is 3 raised to 1. So, magtitira, 3 na lang. Okay. Next, the fifth root of x raised to 5 is x din. Okay? X raised to 1. Kasi 5 divided by 5, that is 1. Okay? How about x raised to 2? So, wag mo nang i-simplify. Hindi na natin yan pwedeng i-simplify pa. Kasi 2 cannot divide 5. Okay? And next. Yung 5, din niya pwedeng i-divide yung 2. Yan, sorry. 15, y raised to 15, fifth root of y raised to 15, that is y raised to 3. Okay? 15 divided by 5, that is y raised to 3. Okay? And then, yung y raised to 3, fifth root of y raised to 3, same as with x squared. Okay? You cannot, hindi na natin siya pwedeng i-take yung root. So, ano matitira doon sa loob ng radical expression? Or radical sign? So, that is fifth root of x squared and y cubed. Okay, yung ito, matitira sila sa loob ng radical sign. So, i-rewrite ko lang yung maayos na pagkakasulat. The answer is 3 x y raised to 3 fifth root of x squared y cubed. So that is the answer. Next number, we have number 3. Okay. So let us simplify square root of 50 m raised to 9 and n raised to 15. Okay. Now, tingnan nyo. Ang root natin ay square root. So we are referring with the perfect square number. 50 is not a perfect square number. Okay, so you are going to factor muna the 50. Okay, and then dapat yung isang factor doon, ang factor ng 50, yung isang factor is perfect square number. And then yung isa, hindi. Okay, so ano yun? Ang 50, okay, ay merong factor na 2 times 25. Okay, wherein yung 25 is a perfect square number and 2 is a prime number. So, ito na yung gagamitin natin. Let us change yung 50 into 25. So, kailangan muna natin i-copy yung radical sign. Okay? Palitan yung 50 ng 2 times 25. 2 times 25. Okay? Tandaan. Square root tayo. Kapag square root, the index number is 2. Yung 2 yun dito. Ang m raised to 9, okay, ay hindi siya yung exponent na 9 hindi siya divisible by 2. So, gawin natin katulad yung kanina. Factor lang. Factor natin yung m raised to 9. Ang m raised to 9 ay equivalent kay m raised to 8 times m raised to 1. Wherein yung 8 ay divisible dun sa index number na 2. Okay? So, palitan natin m raised to 9 ng m raised to 8 times m raised to 1. Okay? And next, yung n raised to 15. Yung n raised to 15, okay, ay equivalent kay n raised to 14 times n raised to 1. 14 plus 1, that is 15. And 14 is divisible by 2. So, palitan natin yan. So, n raised to 14 raised to 14 times n raised to 1. Okay? Next. So, kunin natin yung square root ng 25. Bakit di natin kukunin yung square root of 2? Kasi 2 hindi na perfect square number. Yung 25 na lang. Square root of 25, that is 5. Labas mo na. Okay? Okay, square root of m raised to 8. Yung m raised to 8. Okay? So, 8 divided by 2, that is 4. So, m raised to 4. Next, yung m raised to 1, mariretain siya sa loob ng radical sign. And n raised to 14, or square root of n raised to 14, dito na tayo. So, that is n raised to 7. Kasi 14 divided by 2, that is 7. And then, ano matitira sa loob ng square root sign? Yung 2, copy 2. Yung m, and yung n. So, this is the final answer. Okay. Next, number 4. So, we have 3 multiplied by fifth root of 1024. Okay. 1024 pq raised to 5. Okay. So, ganito lang pag-simplify nito. Tandaan na, the 3 here, itong 3 na to, okay, whole number yan. Okay? Kung whole number, okay, kung anong makuha mo ang sagot dito, i-multiply natin ng 3. Okay? So, copy 3. Okay? And then next, tandaan na, the 1024, okay, that is equivalent to 4 raised to 5. Okay? Check nyo pa sa calculator niya. 1024, that is equal to 4 raised to 5. Okay? So, palitan natin 1024 ng 4 raised to 5. So, fifth root of 1024, that is 4 raised to 5. Okay, how about yung P? Kailangan pa ba natin factor yung P? Kasi yung P ay merong exponent na 1. Okay, no need to factor it. Wala na ifa-factor yan. So, that is simplified na. So, P. How about yung Q? Yung Q, naka-raise to 5 siya. And 5 is divisible by 5. You no need to factor. Okay, so equals 3. Okay. Fifth root of 4 raised to 5, that is 4. O, parenthesis, 4. Okay. And then, fifth root of P, okay, mariretain siya sa loob ng radical sign. How about the fifth root of Q raised to 5? That is Q na lang. Kasi 5 divided by 5, that is 1. Automatic yan. Okay, and then, fifth root of P. Okay. Equals, simplify natin, 3 times 4, that is 12. Then, copy Q. And then, fifth root of P. Okay, so this is the answer. 12Q, fifth root of P. Okay, next, we have number 5. So, we have 13,978 raised to 0, fourth root of 162, B raised to 6, and C raised to 10. Okay. Now, wag kayong papasindak agad sa number. Okay? 13,978 raised to 0, that is automatically equivalent to 1. Any number raised to 0, that is equivalent to 1. Okay? Next, how about dito? Ito na lang problemahin mo yan. Fourth root of 162, B raised to 6, C raised to 10. Tandaan, 162 is not a perfect fourth power number. Okay? So, iisip ka ng factor ng 162, dapat yung isa number ay perfect fourth power na number. Okay? So, kung iisipin ninyo, using your calculator, 81 times 2 ay equivalent kay 162. Okay? 81 times 2, that is equal to 162. Wherein, yung 81 is a perfect fourth power number. Okay? So, palitan natin yung 162 ng 81 times 2. Okay? So, copy the radical sign fourth power. 162, palitan ng 81 times 2. So, that is 81 times 2. Okay? And then, B raised to 6. Okay? Tandaan na, the exponent here is not divisible by 4. Okay? So, pwede natin paghiwalayin na yung B raised to 6 ay equal kay B raised to 4 times B raised to 2. Yung 4 plus 2, that is 6. Okay? May para silang base number. Palitan natin ito. So, that is B raised to 4 times B raised to 2. Next, how about yung C raised to 10? Yung C raised to 10 equal kay yung C raised to 10 ay equal kay C raised to 8 times C raised to 2. 8 plus 2, that is 10. Palitan natin ito. So, C raised to 8 times C raised to 2. Okay? Wherein yung 4 and 8 are divisible by 4. Okay? So, yung 1 na to, alisin mo na yan. Wala nang kwenta to, yung 1 na yan. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Fourth root of 81, that is 3 times 3 times 3. Oh, that is 3. Okay? Fourth root of 81, that is 3. Fourth root of 81, that is 3. Okay? O yung fourth root of 2, wag mo nang i-reduce yan. Okay? Ito yung matitira sa loob ng radical sign. How about fourth root of B raised to 4? That is B. Okay? And then the fourth root of C raised to 8. Okay? Ito yung C squared. Fourth root of C raised to 8, that is C squared. Bakit? 8 divided by 4, that is 2. And then, copy the radical sign na fourth root. So, the fourth root of yung may naiwan, itong 2, copy 2, copy b squared, and then copy c squared. Okay, so the answer ay 3bc squared, fourth root of 2b squared, c squared.